I am really sorry to say that. How old are you? I want to know that because you still now are very very good and very refreshed your mind. That's why I'm asking you.
I am 70, 70.
But you still are very very fit. You are very strong, physically strong.
Well, I got to be because I lived alone for 20 years.
20 years.
20 years by myself, yeah.
But in my country, 70 years old lady or woman, they are very weak and they face so many illness.
No, I'm
Yeah,
not weak, I'm strong.
I told you that you are very strong still now. Are you alcoholic?
No, I don't drink.
That's why
No.
your physics are good.
I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't have sex outside of marriage. I believe in God, and I trust God, and I obey His word.
You married twice. How many kids do you have?
I had two from my first marriage and one from my second marriage,
Oh, only three.
and three altogether.
All are boys?
No, two girls, one boy.
Who is the bigger?
The oldest is the son.
You every day talking with him? You every day talking with your son?
Yeah, I talk to him most every day.
That's great. And your husband, what happened?
My first husband died.
And
My second husband, I divorced.
if you don't mind, can you reduce your television sound?
My what?
News. You watching news or something like that? I can hear some.
Oh, that's my crap program in the background.
You are a good cook because you live alone. You have to know cook very well.
Oh, yeah. I've been cooking for years and years and years for two families and for myself.
Every day you cooking?
No, not when I live alone. Only sometimes when I get really hungry. Because right now I'm having crackers because I'm not cooking.
What's your favorite food?
Fried ribs with rice, anything chicken, crab dinner, bacon ovens.
Chicken your favorite?
Pardon?
Chicken your favorite dish?
Mostly chicken, yeah.
Okay. Do you eat beef?
No.
You don't like?
No.
You never try to eat?
Yes, I tried it, but I find it too salty.
But it's my favorite. How much you spend every month? How much?
What do you mean on food? Sometimes 500, sometimes 700.
Whole month you need only 500 or 1000. It's enough for you every month?
No. I'm broke now. I gotta wait till I get my check to get enough food. That's why I'm eating crackers, because I'm broke.
How you get the money? You told me you are retired from work. What is your earning source?
No, I don't have a job. The government pays my rent, buys my food, that's it. That's why I got no money to travel. So I don't get no money.
Government pay you.
Just for rent and food, that's it.
Food and rent.
No, I'm not telling, no, I'm not telling no sums of money on the public airways. I'm not doing that, I'm smart, I don't do that.
Your son not pay you? Not give you money?
My son right now is sick, he can't work.
Your son also not can work?
No, he's sick right now, he can't work.
So sometimes you are feel very bored and sometimes you don't like this lifestyle. What is that?
No. Don't assume anything about me until I tell you. I have never worked. I have not to do. I have never worked because I'm a volunteer for the hospital. So I've never worked.
Okay. You are an independent woman.
Yeah.
It's also very good. You enjoy your life, but you need some money for most beautiful life you can live.
Where am I supposed to get the money from? I can't work.
Yeah, I know that. But I think your husband should help you in this time.
You mean my ex-husband?
Yeah.
We are divorced, so I'm no longer his problem, and he's not my problem.
Okay. When you was his wife, your relation is good with him.
No, the bad outweighed the good. The bad was too bad, so I had to leave.
Oh, this reason you leave him.
Yeah. But again, I'm not discussing my private things on public airwaves. I'm just going to say it was bad, so I had to leave. That's all I'm going to say. No more said.
Okay, okay.